Welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you 8 herbs that can protect your eyes and save your vision. If you're concerned about your eyes, you're in the right place. According to PreventBlindness.org, approximately 1 in 10 Americans aged 50 and older have the early form of age-related macular degeneration, and approximately 1 out of every 100 Americans ages 50 and older have the vision-threatening late form of age-related macular degeneration. Watch this video until the end to learn the essential nutrients that can make a world of difference in supporting your eyes and stop vision loss. Number 1, bilberry. Would you like to see better at night? Bilberry owes its health-promoting qualities to a group of compounds known as anthocyanins, responsible for the berry's vibrant color. These anthocyanins act as powerful antioxidants, helping neutralize free radicals in the body, including those that can damage the eyes. The antioxidant nature of bilberry is crucial in maintaining the integrity of ocular tissues and preventing oxidative damage, often implicated in age-related eye conditions. Research suggests that bilberry may contribute to improved night vision and overall visual acuity. Its ability to enhance blood flow to the eyes is noteworthy, as proper circulation is essential for delivering nutrients and oxygen to the delicate structures within the eyes. Antioxidants play a pivotal role in neutralizing free radicals, unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage. The eyes, highly susceptible to oxidative stress due to constant exposure to light, can benefit significantly from the antioxidant prowess of bilberry. By scavenging free radicals, bilberry helps protect the lens, retina, and other components of the eyes, potentially reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration and other vision-related issues. The specific mechanisms through which bilberry supports vision are multifaceted. Firstly, the improvement in night vision is attributed to the dilation of the blood vessels, enhancing blood flow to the eyes and optimizing the function of the retina. Additionally, the anthocyanins in bilberry may strengthen the capillaries in the eyes, reducing the risk of conditions associated with weakened blood vessels. If you're concerned with vision loss due to glaucoma, this next one can help. Number 2, Ginkgo Biloba. Ginkgo Biloba, renowned as one of the oldest living tree species, has been an integral part of traditional Chinese medicine for millennia. Its leaves boast unique compounds such as flavonoids and terpenoids, which are attributed to its numerous health benefits. Notably, it is lauded for its ability to enhance blood flow and circulation, particularly beneficial for eye health. The protective properties of Ginkgo Biloba against glaucoma, a condition characterized by increased eye pressure leading to vision loss, have garnered significant attention in the scientific community. Glaucoma's progression is often associated with reduced blood flow to the optic nerve. Ginkgo Biloba's capacity to improve circulation offers a promising protective measure. Research published in the Journal of Glaucoma suggests that Ginkgo Biloba extract can even improve pre-existing visual field damage in some glaucoma patients, offering hope for managing this complex condition. Furthermore, Ginkgo Biloba's antioxidant properties play a pivotal role in promoting eye health. By scavenging free radicals, it shields the eyes from oxidative stress, a common risk factor for various eye diseases, including age-related macular degeneration. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties may help reduce the risk of eye inflammation, supporting overall ocular well-being. Before we continue, if you're enjoying the video, take a moment to like, subscribe, and enable notifications. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section. We're here to help. Now, let's get back. Number 3, fennel. Fennel seeds are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that offer numerous benefits for eye health. With its rich content of vitamin C, vitamin A, and various beneficial compounds, fennel emerges as a valuable addition to the herbal arsenal dedicated to protecting and enhancing vision. Vitamin A, in the form of beta-carotene, plays a crucial role in maintaining eye health by supporting retinal function and promoting low light and color vision. The presence of antioxidants in fennel seeds helps neutralize harmful free radicals, shielding eye tissues from oxidative stress. Flavonoids, carotenoids, and polyphenols found in fennel contribute to its antioxidant properties, making it an excellent choice for natural eye care. By combating oxidative stress, fennel seeds may help prevent age-related macular degeneration and other vision-related issues, offering a promising approach to maintaining healthy eyes. Number 4. Rosemary. Rosemary is rich in bioactive compounds, with its essential oil being a concentrated source of antioxidants. The primary antioxidants found in rosemary, such as rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid, contribute significantly to its ability to neutralize free radicals. This antioxidant power is crucial for protecting ocular tissues from oxidative stress, a common contributor to age-related eye conditions. Moreover, rosemary's anti-inflammatory properties make it a valuable herb for maintaining ocular well-being. Rosmarinic acid, in particular, has been studied for its potential to modulate inflammatory pathways, suggesting that rosemary may help manage conditions characterized by ocular inflammation. In addition to its anti-inflammatory effects, rosemary positively impacts blood circulation, which is essential for eye health. Proper blood flow ensures that nutrients and oxygen reach the eyes, promoting their overall vitality. The benefits of rosemary extend beyond its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Its aromatic compounds are believed to have cognitive enhancing effects, indirectly contributing to eye health by supporting cognitive function. Rosemary may help maintain focus and concentration, reducing eye strain associated with extended periods of visual tasks. Number 5. Saffron. The crimson threads of saffron have been used in various traditional medicine systems, including Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine, to address a range of health concerns, including those related to the eyes. Saffron's antioxidant properties are attributed to its carotenoid content, particularly crocin. Carotenoids are pigments with potent antioxidant capabilities, and in the context of eye health, they play a crucial role in neutralizing free radicals that can damage ocular tissues. Oxidative stress and inflammation are common factors in various eye conditions. Saffron, with its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, may offer protection against these underlying factors. Studies have explored the potential of saffron in conditions like age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and retinal degeneration, suggesting its positive influence on retinal health. The anti-inflammatory properties of saffron extend to conditions such as uveitis, where inflammation of the uvea, the middle layer of the eye, can lead to discomfort and vision impairment. By modulating inflammatory pathways, saffron may contribute to the management of uveitis and related inflammatory eye disorders. Scientific exploration into saffron's effects on vision is an ongoing journey, with research providing insights into its potential benefits. Some studies suggest that saffron supplementation may improve visual acuity and sensitivity to light, particularly in individuals with early-stage age-related macular degeneration. Dandelion is like nature's little eye health superhero. Packed with a bounty of vitamins and minerals, it's a fantastic addition to your diet to keep your eyes in top shape. Loaded with vitamin A, dandelion supports your eye health, ensuring you can see clearly even in low light. Plus, it's a great defense against night blindness and other vision-related issues. But that's not all. Dandelion also brings vitamins C and E to the table, giving your eyes the antioxidant boost they need to fight off oxidative stress and stay healthy. And here's the real eye-opener. Dandelion is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, two superpowered carotenoids that are like bodyguards for your eyes. They work hard to protect your eyes from harmful UV rays and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts as you age. But wait, there's more! Dandelion isn't just good for your eyes, it's a detoxifying dynamo too. Its natural diuretic properties help flush toxins from your body, reducing the strain on your eyes and keeping your whole body feeling great. So, add a little dandelion to your diet and see the world with clear, bright eyes. Number 7, chamomile. Chamomile isn't just for tea. It's a fantastic supporter of eye health, too. With its calming and soothing properties, chamomile offers a natural remedy for tired and irritated eyes. Packed with flavonoids and terpenoids, chamomile is a powerhouse against inflammation and irritation. Whether you're battling conjunctivitis, eye fatigue, or just need relief from redness, chamomile has your back. Plus, its antimicrobial properties help keep those pesky eye infections at bay. While more research is needed, the soothing effects of chamomile have been trusted for centuries. So, next time your eyes need a pick-me-up, turn to chamomile for some natural TLC. Number 8. Turmeric. Turmeric's incredible therapeutic properties are all thanks to curcumin, a powerful bioactive compound with a host of health benefits. While turmeric has been cherished in traditional medicine for centuries, modern research has uncovered curcumin's potential to tackle inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which are linked to various eye conditions. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory effects are especially remarkable. Chronic inflammation is a major player in several eye disorders like uveitis and diabetic retinopathy. But fear not. Curcumin steps in to save the day by soothing inflammation and supporting overall eye health. And that's not all. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory powers extend to conditions like dry eye syndrome, offering relief from discomfort and improving vision. Plus, studies have shown that curcumin supplements can effectively manage dry eyes, reducing inflammation and enhancing symptoms. As we age, our eyes may face challenges like age-related macular degeneration, AMD. But guess what? Curcumin's antioxidant properties are here to help. By neutralizing harmful free radicals, curcumin protects the cells of the retina, keeping your vision sharp and your eyes healthy. As we come to the end of our journey through the garden of vision health, it's crystal clear that the power of herbs in protecting and enhancing our eyesight is simply amazing. From bilberry to turmeric, each herb brings a unique set of benefits that can help us tackle the challenges our eyes face in today's world. By adding these natural wonders to our daily routine, we not only boost our vision, but also embrace a holistic approach to health and well-being. Remember, the key to lasting eye health lies in finding the right balance of nutrition, lifestyle, and regular care. So why wait? Start today and give your eyes the care they deserve. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into natural health remedies. Did you know that over 90% of the people watching this video haven't subscribed to our channel yet? Subscribing could be the first step in helping someone you care about see the world more clearly. And if you're eager to learn more about natural wellness, our next video is just a click away. Join us on the journey to vibrant health. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see you in the next one.